finally was able to source some dry ice. So let's see if I can get this sound deadening out. Well, the main floor is basically done. Still got some more in the tunnel to get out. But I got the above the gas tank or below the rear seat. I got to get off of the top of the cross member there, the subframe, and see what I can do with these spots here. It's not going to be the easiest stuff to remove, but we'll see what I can do. I might try heat and see if that'll work. We're coming along for sure. So I'm off to go pick up my cage. I got my truck and trailer hooked up. Gotta pick up some extra tube as well. It's freaking snowing, so it's cold. So yeah, this guy does some pretty cool stuff. So hopefully I can get some video of some of the projects going on in his shop. And yeah. We're back from roll cage components. Kind of just getting the main hoop set in place. I want to see how well it fit. It's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's not quite all the way where I want it at the moment. You know, there's a little bit of gap in between the body there, but I mean, honestly, for you know, mail order cage, basically, it fits pretty good. I'm not unhappy with it. So a little bit more trimming to do, and I can get the main hoop put in place, and then I'll start doing my down bars and get those dropped in and kind of mocked in place. And once that, I can build my boxes. I'm gonna do these round tubes for boxes. So then the tube will sit on top. So the plan is to have a plate that covers and drops down here, and then a plate over top. And then, yeah, and it'll sit, hopefully the tube is gonna sit like right in here when I'm done. So kind of to follow this body line here, right here. So, yeah. All right, so I'm working on the boxes for the cage. Got everything all tacked together here. Did like a round tube style, and then hooked into the rocker there. And then of course down to ties into the floor. I think it's gonna be pretty strong. The rockers are the stronger part here on these cars. The floors are actually not the strongest. So I got to do the other side and then start working on the main hoop boxes as well. Second box all done. Got the last box made. Got the main hoop in place. Gonna start working on the down bars. Gonna probably try to run them to the strut towers. Main hoop is tacked in. Got my down bars tacked in. Got the plates for the down bars tacked in. Looking pretty good. Gonna tomorrow hopefully pick up the bender. I gotta make some corrections to the down tubes for the A-pillars. So as you guys saw in that last clip, I basically got the roll bar section of the cage done. I still have to do the A-pillar bars, and then hopefully I can do the door bars and the dash bar and get everything tacked and then drop it off the boxes and weld it up. Of course, you'll see that in the next video, but I didn't film an outro, so I wanted to film an outro real quick. Yeah, thanks for liking and subscribing. I love it when you guys comment. I love talking about what's going on. And if you're not following my TikTok, please do. And if you came here from TikTok, that's cool. I appreciate it. My TikTok's DriftBox29, Instagram as well. I post a lot of other, I shouldn't say a lot, but I try to post a lot of content there if you're not following me. I just did a video on making the boxes, so like the little short clips and stuff show up there.